In 2021, we left our good-paying jobs close to the city of Philadelphia and headed for a country life in the mountains of West Virginia. We had a piece of land, a camper, a dream, and each other. Since then, we've worked hard to start our life here, and we're taking on the biggest challenge of our lives, finishing our Barndominium dream home. Our biggest hope is to inspire others through our journey, because it is possible to follow your dreams. I cannot even believe that I am saying this, but this week we have a lot of tasks to get done because next week is final inspection. There's actually so much that we're doing this week that we're going to have to make it a 3-part series. Alright guys, so this is the shiplap paneling that we used on our ceiling, and it's also a background behind our bed in our master bedroom. So we still have a few pieces left, and we're going to use this to wrap the island. So the back and the sides of the bottom of the island are going to get the shiplap on it. So we're going to get that cut up and put on there. If you guys remember from this video here, we got our cabinets from an auction, so they weren't made to fit our space. However, the great news is we had leftover cabinets that we can now put into our laundry room. That's what we're going to work on now. Now we can get back to finishing the top of the island. All right, one of the very last things we need to do before final inspection is right in front of us. We have to wrap up this island. So we experimented with a couple different cutting techniques, and we started with a pull saw with the first side piece. We decided to do the score with a razor blade and snap, and that worked perfectly fine for our pieces. So we have all of our side pieces cut, and we have the top cut. So now we're gonna get the side pieces on first with the contact cement, and then we're gonna route off the extra pieces of that, and then we're gonna go to the top, route off the top of that. We have 2 dowels for when we get to the top part, so that the top doesn't touch the contact cement on the MDF board until it's time to, and ruin our whole island Formica piece here. So
we're a little nervous about that.
Honestly, we put this off so long because we are nervous about it, and this is a special order piece. It takes about 10 to 14 days to come in at Lowe's. So if we mess up, it's not like we can just run out and get another piece really easy.
Oh, and by the way, we're 2 days away from final inspection, so put a little more pressure on us.
Yeah, so we're like right at the end.
We gotta be perfect on this project, so.
So we're taking our time, we're gonna make it awesome, and we're okay, right?
Yeah, that's not the
Here,
main
you
thing.
get one, I get one. On guard. We'll be fine.
Alright.
It'll be alright.
Let's get her done.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for.
This was definitely the scariest thing that we did, especially because of the time crunch. We have final inspection in just a few days, but we are ready. Guys, this has been such a journey. Take a sneak peek here of what our finished house looks like, and join us in just a few days to see the final reveal.